You're doing it the hard way. The most powerful tool for organizing your ideas, content plans, and business brain, it's already on your iPad. And no, it's not Notion. It's Apple Notes, and you're probably not using it nearly as effective as you could. If you are a content creator, entrepreneur, or creative thinker, you need a central brain, a place where your ideas live, grow, and actually get executed. Apple Notes can be that place if you set it up the right way. In this video, I will walk you through how I turn Apple Notes into a productivity powerhouse and how you can too. First, let's ditch the basic work and personal folders. Think like your brain works. We are going to create folders like brain dumps, business strategy, client notes, and all the things. In this way, you're able to easily have a system that works like your brain. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so we're going to create 3 folders, and then we are going to create smart folders within those folders. So the first thing we're going to do, to the top left where you have your add folder button, this gives you the option to create the overall folder. In this case, I created a folder called tutorials, but inside of that folder, you can have subfolders. So I'm going to create a subfolder for the purpose of this exercise. So I'm going to hit these 3 dots to the top right, and then I am going to hit on add folder. I'm going to put in the name. So this one is going to be brain dumps. So if I need to get it out of my head, I'm going to put everything in this folder. And notice as I'm adding folders to this overall folder here, notice it's listed on the left-hand side. All right, so here we have our 4 folders, our brain dumps, client notes, content ideas, routines, and templates. If I wanted to add another folder in this section, I can hit the 3 dots to the top right, hit on add folder, and I can put in business strategy and hit on save. So this is me creating a structure. I don't want my notes all over the place, but I want to be able to go into these different folders and know exactly what are the notes that are contained in those folders. But here's the magic. I use smart folders that organize my notes automatically. I can tag a note with, let's say, hashtag content, and it actually shows up in my content hub folder instantly. There is no dragging, no copying, just pure structured clarity. To create a smart folder, you're going to hit on the add folder to the top left, and we're going to say make into smart folder. But first, we're going to put in a name. So in this case, I can put in content hub, tap on make into smart folder. And in this case, if I want anything relating to when I'm doing content research or brainstorming ideas, I'm going to create a tag so it can automatically go into that folder. So I'm going to hit on filter for tags, and then I'm going to select any selected tag. In this case, I'm going to select content, but I'm also going to add a few others such as research. I may want to add one called ideas, and then I'm going to hit on done and then select. And on the left hand side, you notice that Content Hub is created. It has that little system wheel that is appearing on the left of the name. And also it populated 5 notes that I already have that hashtag contents. If I go in here, I'm able to see what are the different notes that actually have that hashtag. If I scroll down as well to the bottom left, I'm going to see those hashtags added there on the tags. So it's this is another way that you can actually search for your notes using the tags. So you can see either all your tags or you can see a specific tag for ID or content or so forth. And so this is different ways in which you can actually organize your Apple Notes. I use Quick Notes. Just swipe from the bottom right corner of your iPad and boom, you can jot quick ideas, drop a link, or even screenshot a concept. Even better, you can highlight text in Safari and drag it into Notes. Your research now lives where your strategy lives. All right. So after capturing all my research for a specific content based on an article or whatever the case may be, Now I'm able to go back into notes and I can organize it, add to it, and even review some of the concepts that I've captured from my Safari browser. Now, in order for us to do this, we're going to head back into Apple Notes. We are going to see Quick Notes appearing to the top left. We're going to tap on that and notice it's showing that quick note that we have just created. And so it's showing us the link for the article, any screenshots that we've taken. We've also used our Apple Pencil to make any quick notes. And also, you could have copied text from the Safari browser into quick notes by dragging and dropping. Here is how it all works together. On Monday, I can do a brain dump in my notes. Throughout the week, I can capture my content ideas, and then I can review my notes with either pencil, with using the markup features. I can also pull those tasks into reminders and block time in my calendar. Everything is in sync, everything is connected, and I'm no longer bouncing between a dozen different apps trying to remember what I was doing and where I captured that piece of content ID. Here's what I want you to do. Create one smart folder today. Maybe it's creative ID or a client note folder. Add a few tag notes and watch how quickly your brain starts to feel organized. And if this has helped you, share it with someone else who's tired of scattered systems. Your iPad already has what it needs, and now it's the time to use it.